Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. I am Hriday Panchal from Standard 7. Do you know? FASTag is going to be replaced by a new technology. The total amount of money collected daily via FASTags at the toll stations in India is around 80 crore per day. And during the festive season, it can cross 120 crores. When FASTags were introduced, people were slightly confused. But then they realized what a great invention and tech it was. But now, a new tech is set to replace these FASTags, and that is called Automatic Number Plate Recognition System. And this will replace the FASTags completely. Mr. Nitin Gadkari announced tests are being conducted for this technology, and the most interesting about this system is that vehicles will not be required to stop anywhere. The fee will be directly cut from the bank account of the car owner. After FASTags, India toll income increased by 15 lakh crores, and this new tech will further increase the income value of National Highway Authority of India. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. 120 crores. मैं भूल जा रहा हूँ मैम एक बार